Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get party-wise rates in TallyPrime. First, you need to enable the Maintain Multiple Price Levels feature within TallyPrime settings. This crucial step allows you to categorize your customers and products. Next, create distinct price levels, perhaps wholesale or retail, for different customer groups. Finally, define specific price lists for your various stock items, ensuring organized pricing. Now let's define those rates. Go to the Inventory Info menu and select Price List. Here, you will choose a previously created price level, like wholesale, and then specify the stock items that apply to it. For each item, you can enter the desired selling rate and even set up specific discount percentages. This allows for highly customized pricing across your product range. With your price lists ready, it's time to link them to your customers. When creating or altering a party ledger, assign the appropriate price level, such as retail or wholesale, to that specific party. This ensures that when you create a sales invoice for them, the correct rates are automatically applied. Remember, you always have the flexibility to manually adjust rates during transaction entry if a special situation arises. Implementing party-wise rates offers significant benefits. It streamlines your sales invoicing process, saving you valuable time and reducing manual errors. You ensure consistent pricing across different customer segments, maintaining fairness and clarity. In review, we enabled the feature, defined price levels and lists, and assigned them to parties. This easy method enhances efficiency and accuracy in your TallyPrime operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.